Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering the laws of physics have fundamentally changed. Atoms can no longer hold together. Light behaves erratically, matter itself becomes unstable. This isn't because something went wrong, but because the universe has found a more stable, lower energy state. This isn't science fiction. This is the theory of false vacuum decay, a cosmological event that could erase our reality. Empty space is not truly empty. Modern physics reveals that what we perceive as a vacuum is, in fact, a vibrant ocean of quantum fields. Particles constantly flicker in and out of existence. Energy fluctuates. Reality vibrates at its most fundamental level. But here is the unsettling truth. The vacuum of our universe might not be in its lowest possible energy state. It could be temporary. A false vacuum, like a ball resting in a shallow valley, stable for billions of years, yet precariously balanced, doomed to fall if given the slightest push. Think of the universe's energy state as a landscape of hills and valleys. Our current vacuum resides in one of these valleys, feeling stable. Physics works. Particles have mass. The forces that govern existence behave predictably, but deeper valleys may exist. A true vacuum, a state that is more stable, more fundamental. If our universe is trapped in a false vacuum, then reality itself is merely metastable, not permanent, not guaranteed. This means the very fabric of our existence is balanced on a nice edge, potentially for eons, but not forever. A vacuum decay event would not begin with a cataclysmic explosion. There would be no warning, no flash of light, no detectable signal racing ahead to announce its arrival. Instead, a microscopic bubble of the true vacuum would spontaneously appear somewhere in the vastness of spacetime. Perhaps triggered by a random quantum fluctuation, perhaps by chance. Once this bubble forms, it expands outward in all directions at the speed of light. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics are rewritten from the ground up. Outside observers would never see it coming. Because nothing can travel faster than the bubble's expanding wall, it is the ultimate cosmic blindside. Inside a true vacuum bubble, the fundamental constants of nature would change. The strengths of forces would alter, particles might lose their stability. Atoms could fail to bind, chemistry as we know it would collapse. Matter would disintegrate into a new, unrecognizable form. Stars, planets, life, all the intricate structures defined by our current physics would instantly cease to function. Not destroyed in a fiery blast, simply incompatible with the new rules. Reality would not burn, it would become impossible. This is why we would never know. Vacuum decay is the perfect cosmic ambush. The bubble's wall moves at light speed, no information can escape ahead of it. No telescope could detect it, no instrument could warn us. No civilization could ever prepare. If it were to begin, the end would arrive before the awareness of it. There is no approaching disaster, there is only existence, followed by non-existence. This chilling concept emerges from legitimate theoretical physics. Quantum field theory allows for the existence of such metastable vacua. The properties of the Higgs field, which gives particles their mass, even suggest our universe's vacuum might be unstable at extreme energies. Some calculations imply our vacuum could survive for trillions of years, far longer than the current age of the universe. Others leave the door open to uncertainty. We do not yet know for sure. And that uncertainty is perhaps the most unsettling part of all. The stability we take for granted might be an illusion, a temporary phase in the universe's long story. Somewhere in the vastness of spacetime, a bubble could already exist, expanding, silent, unstoppable. We would never see it coming. Because when physics ends, there is no one left to notice.